It was a pretty nice day outdoors. We did have some coastal fog in areas like Morro Bay today. Let's take a look at some of the photos you guys sent us using hashtag #BeOnKSBY. Here's MC's view out in Cayucas. Here's a nice shot of a coyote off of Shell Creek Road. We'll take your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This afternoon, a little bit warmer than what we saw yesterday. New Cuyama reaching 82 degrees today, 77 in Santa Barbara, 60 degrees in Morro Bay and Pismo Beach. San Luis Obispo reaching 67 degrees today and 69 degrees in Goleta. Current temperatures now in Paso Robles, 53 degrees, 50 in San Luis Obispo, 49 in Santa Maria, and 48 in Vandenberg. So winds are a big part of tonight's story as we had some really strong wind activity this afternoon in Santa Barbara County, and that's going to be continuing for the next few days. Refugio area recording a wind gust today around 49 miles per hour. 51-mile-per-hour wind gusts recorded in Gaviota today and 22 miles per hour out in Oceano. Winds right now on the calmer side, though, 7 miles per hour in Paso Robles, 5 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara, and 3 miles per hour in Santa Maria. So our wind forecast shows elevated wind activity hanging around the Santa Barbara County South Coast and Santa Ynez Mountain area for the next few days. Here's a look at 5 a.m. Monday. We're at 12-mile-per-hour winds in Paso Robles, 7 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, Lompoc, and Santa Barbara. But you can see this green color here. That's showing elevated wind activity, gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour. Then as we're heading into tomorrow afternoon, winds across the Central Coast start to amplify, and that's when some more concern comes in with more advisories being added on as we're heading into tomorrow night. Here's a look at 10 p.m. tomorrow. We're at 16-mile-per-hour winds in Paso Robles, 7 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, and 10 miles per hour in Lompoc. Plenty of strong wind activity out on the water as well. That's where we're tracking advisories to. But first, let's take a look at that wind advisory in the Santa Ynez Mountain area and along the Santa Barbara County South Coast. That expires early on Tuesday morning, but there's a good chance that that's going to continue on into Wednesday because these strong winds are sticking around. Potentials for gusts in that area 40 to 45 miles per hour. Strongest winds west of Refugio and the Santa Ynez Mountain Range. Now out on the water, another dangerous situation there. A gale warning going into effect early tomorrow morning. Potentials for gusts up to 35 knots and combined seas 6 to 9 feet. Now also out on the water is some coastal fog. We're getting a return of that at this hour as well. Here's a look at our weather model showing the nightly fog making its way back in. We're going to see it start to clear out by tomorrow afternoon, but then we do see the fog and the cloud coverage return back by tomorrow night, and that weather pattern is going to be continuing on at least through Tuesday as well. But we can expect some sunny afternoons and slightly cooler temperatures tomorrow. 72 degrees for your high in Paso Robles and Santa Barbara, 64 in San Luis Obispo and Lompoc, and 61 in Santa Maria. Down the coast in Carpinteria, we're looking at 63 degrees, 68 in Santa Ynez, and 65 in Los Alamos. In the 5 cities in Opomo, we're tracking 62 degrees, 60 in Arroyo Grande and Pismo Beach. And in northern San Luis Obispo County and Avila Beach, 58 degrees, 59 in Morro Bay, and 60 in Cayucas. So our extended forecast will show cooler temperatures tomorrow, but then temperatures start rising back up by Wednesday. Potentials for temperatures to be back in the 80s by the middle of the week. You can check out our 10-day forecast on our app in the App Store.